Hello from Tosh Tires. I've got a Suzuki Swift here on a 2007 plate, 2008. I'm going to show you how to replace the side light bulb on this one. It's this one here that we need to replace. But to show you, as you can see on the passenger rear, it's working, and on the driver's side it isn't. Now to do it, it's quite a simple procedure, but before I do that, I'm going to show you something else. Can you press the brakes for me, please? As you can see, that one there now is working. And this one's working as well. So I believe the bulb in there is a 380, which is a double filament. Switch the lights off. Thank you. I've got the bulb right here. Like I said, it's a 380 double filament bulb. And then the tools that you need, I mean, if you've got a Phillips screwdriver, brilliant. These are the two screws that you need to undo. If you don't have a Phillips screwdriver, you can use a ring spanner, a bendy one, which is a 10mm again right there, or you can use a ratchet with a 10mm socket. I'm going to show you how to get it out and replace it. Now I've got the screwdriver in spare hand, so I undo it first. If they are really tight, don't worry, spray some WD-40, leave it for 5-10 minutes on the outside of it here. Leave it for 5-10 minutes and let it soak in, and then undo it with a Phillips screwdriver. If it's still not working, get a ratchet for yourself, do it with a ratchet. Now all you do, once you've taken the screws out, you pull it towards you and then jolt it, take it out. You got these two little pins right here. One goes there on the bottom and then one goes on the top right there. Now the bulb that we need to replace is this one here, but you can at the same time do the indicator and the fog light, whichever bulbs are in there, you can do them at the same time as well. You twist it to your left, take it out. Like I said, it's a double filament bulb. You can see it's got two filaments inside, and it's a double bulb. Got it out. Got the new one. Now you can see there's two filaments in there. There's only one way they would go. So if I were to put it in like this, it's not going to really go anywhere. But if I do this, it will. Slot the bulb holder in, twist that to my right, and then all I do now is line the inner pins up first. Once I've lined them up, it's in. As you can see right there, it's nicely in. And then I'll screw them both in first. I'm not going to tighten that one up yet. But make sure if you are working on the roadside, do not drop the screws on the floor. If you've got a drainage anywhere around you, you can lose them. But if you did lose them, it's a 10mm bolt. You can get that from anywhere and get it replaced. Now we're just going to check the lights, make sure the lights are working. So as you can see now, both of them are working. Press the brakes for me, please. Now they're both working as well. You can switch the lights off. Right, that's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you. And don't forget to share it as well where possible. Take care. Goodbye.